Hey, Justin here from Ocean Mechanical. Winter is here in Calgary to stay, and just wanted to put out a friendly reminder on how to properly winterize your hose bibs. If it was left on and froze, and then when the weather warms up again, it could flood and cause catastrophic damage to your home. First thing you want to do is come down to your mechanical room and find the valve that is responsible for your lawn services or hose bib. Right here, we've got this one's labeled lawn service shutoff, so we'll just turn that to the off position. The next step is to come outside, make sure there's no hose connected to your hose bib, and simply open it counterclockwise all the way, and you can leave it open like that for the rest of the winter. The last step is important as well. We've got Spider-Man, he's looking a little parched today, so on the side of your valve will be a little drain, and we can open that and drain down all the water that's left in the pipe. Sometimes there's a lot, sometimes there's a little, but you want to drain that all the way down and make sure to empty the pipe. I hope you find this home maintenance tip helpful, and once again, it's an important thing to do every year, and try not to forget. If you need any help, feel free to reach out, oceanmech.com or 587-317-0300. We'd be glad to give you a hand.